Do you know the difference between bored and boring? Look at these examples, to see how adjectives ending in ed and ing are used. I was really bored in that presentation. That was a really boring presentation. So what's the difference between them? Here's the rule. Adjectives that end in ed generally describe emotions. They tell us how people feel. I was so bored in that lesson, I almost fell asleep. He was surprised to see Helen after all those years. Adjectives that end in ing generally describe the thing that causes the emotion. A boring lesson makes you feel bored. Have you seen that film? It's really frightening. I could listen to her for hours. She's so interesting. Here are some adjectives that can have both an ed and an ing form. Let's have this quick test to see if you really get it. Choose the correct word.